What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Xavier's Fun World. I always say that in the beginning of the video. Like this video if you want to, I don't care. I'm just saying it right now. And today, if you know what is this, see my shiny nose? That's some stuff that I have to put on my nose because it's stuffy. See? I said it. Stuffy. And Mimi was shaking. I was just shaking right now also. Mimi. Also, it's going to rain all day, so I'm going to show you the rain. Don't come up here, Mimi. See the little marks, sprinkles? And you also have to hear it. Me? No going outside. So, yeah, that's all. Bye. We're watching a Disney movie? I don't know. But bye.